Hi all, very good morning. Today I came to my area local park. This is a rock garden. This is a very little garden park, but it is very comfortable for walking. So recently they made it streamline. It is full of rocks, natural rocks. Actually, it is very tough to streamline, but they made it happen. Let we have a look. This is the entrance, open G. So this is the pathway. You can feel the liveliness here. So this is Gayatrinagar in Borabanda. These are all nearby apartments and all. Just my apartment also just nearby to this park. Just a 2 to 5 minutes walk from here. So they could find some space between the rocks and created this pathway. Good, it is very much useful to the residents. So dear neighbors and colony mates, we all can utilize it for morning and evening walks. See, huge rocks. You can observe here. Bamboo trees. So they are doing this rainwater harvesting pits. Very good. Thank you for the team who are doing this. With the help of GHMC maybe. Full of rocks, huge rocks. Recently they made it a kind of renovation here, maybe 1.5 years back. Thank you for the team who made this happen. This is a kids play area. So, dear local residents, you can utilize it. So, completed now. Dear residents, have a visit and enjoy our local nature. Thank you. Bye bye.